What we do here is go back.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this braid out, which I did on blown out hair, so my hair from blow dried hair, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. So I am starting out on blow dried hair, and I do actually have a tutorial on how I get my hair like this, and the way I do my hair here is perfect for protective styles like braid outs and twist outs, and also styles like wigs or people that do braids and weaves and things like that too. And this is also a way of how you can minimize your heat damage and protect your hair. So I strongly recommend you watch this video before. I'll actually leave a card here, so just click on that link. So what I'm doing here is pretty self-explanatory. All I'm doing is parting my hair, and I'm just doing that just to prepare for my braids, and I will be doing it in fours, so that's the way I do it. I know it looks really weird because I'm just parting my four straight away. As you can see, I tie that side up and then do it this way, so then I'll focus on one side at a time. You don't actually have to do that, but that's just the way I like to do it. So after I split my hair in 4 quarters, each quarter has 2 plaits, so on each side of my head I will do 4 plaits on each side of my head. You can actually do as many as you like, but I just like the way my plaits turn out, or my braid out turns out when I do this many plaits. You can actually do more or less, it just depends on you, but that's just my preference. It gives me a nice kind of full blown out look. So next, all I'm going to use is the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream by Creme of Nature. This was actually the first time using this, and I really like the results. You may be thinking, why would you use a curling cream on blown out hair or even straight hair? And the reason is because it just gives a really nice hold. For me, it actually acts a bit like a hold, and as you can see, even though I'm rummaging that through my hair isn't frizzing up or going curly. And I strongly recommend, whenever you're doing a braid out or a twist out, whether it's on straight, curly or blown out hair, always use a cream that's got a hold, because I feel like it just gives you much better results. It tames frizz, it also holds the braid or twist out together, and it just gives it a really good definition. So I strongly recommend this cream. It's not even expensive as well, and it worked really well. And also I just wanted to add, because it's not a gel, it gives it a nice soft hold, not a hard crunchy hold, so it makes your hair feel really nice as well. So now all my braids are done. I'm just going to leave that in for a while, and for that all I'm going to do is put some oil on my hands and just around the front of my head, just to like give it a nice shine. Also, this oil makes your hair really soft and it's very moisturizing. It's a unique formula. So this is the Zarina Cosmetics hair oil, and I'm just putting that all in my hair before tying up. I only put a little bit because you only need a little bit, and in that time I am going to be doing my makeup and everything, so I'll be back.
Back.
So now it's the takedown, and when taking down my braids, I always like to have an oil on my hands when taking down the braids, because it reduces frizz and it just makes your hair a lot better and a lot more shinier. It gives it a really nice shine. And again, I use the Zarina Cosmetics oil because you don't need a lot, and it just has a really unique and good formula. And I left the plaits in probably for about a good few hours, 3 or 4 hours. And when you use the curling cream, the cream that I actually used is better, because if I didn't use any product for the plaits, then it probably wouldn't have lasted as well, or the definition wouldn't have been as good. So that's why I always suggest using a cream. And all I'm doing now is just taking down the plaits, as you can see. And obviously this part is very self-explanatory, so I'm not going to really say much, but all I will say is that you should take down these plaits very carefully, just so you can reduce frizz. That's one tip I would say. So the last step I do is I put in two sprays. One is the flex holding spray because I feel like it holds in the curls, and the next is the finishing spray. I'm gonna be honest, time ago I bought both sprays, so I actually don't know which is better, but every time I use a spray I always use both of them. I don't know why. I don't know if you have to, you probably don't, but that's just what I do, so I've continued to do that. And then the last step, again, all I do is put a little bit of oil on my hair, especially the ends, because the ends can get dry and it makes the ends just look so much more healthier, and it's just an overall good oil to use, and it's really good to apply an oil at the end. So again, I just use the Zarina Cosmetics hair oil. So this is how my hair turned out. I actually really liked the results. However, I did think that my hair would look super cute with this half up, half down style. And I really like the way it turned out. I feel like on a braid out, it just really makes your hair look nice because it has that really nice wave and curly effect. However, you guys should let me know down below which style you prefer. Do you prefer it in this half up, half down style, or do you prefer it just all out? Let me know down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And also, if there's any type of videos that you want me to do, fashion, beauty, other hair videos, whatever it is, just let me know down below also. And I also have a tutorial on this makeup look, so go and check that out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Adios!